First, completely dry the maram over a fire so that it will easily go through a screen with holes of about 2 millimeters. Then, first cool the hot maram and then put it through a screen of holes of about 2 to 3 millimeters. Then put the screened maram into a water bottle and carefully mark it with a tape at the level that it reaches within the water bottle. Then stir the mixture for a few seconds and then let it settle for 20 seconds to let the sand settle to the bottom. Then pour off the top water, which will contain the clay, leaving the sand at the bottom. Do this slowly and repeat it several times. When the remaining water becomes very clear as you pour it off, then empty the water from the basin and spoon the sand into the measuring bottle. Then add a new piece of tape at the new level of the mix. And don't worry if there is some water that comes in above that level. Now you have 2 levels inside the water bottle. The maram with the clay and the maram with the clay washed out. Now carefully measure and mark those levels with graph paper or with a ruler. Now, using arithmetic, take the top number, subtract the bottom number, and divide by the top number. This will give you the amount of clay that was removed. In this instance, we have 41% of the maram is clay. We want that number to be between 15 and 30%. So what we need to do is with the original maram, we must add 11 or 12% additional sand so that the clay content of the original maram is 30%. It is very important that the clay content of your maram mix is between 15 and 30%. Too little or too much clay will provide cracking, shrinkage, too much expansion, and other problems.